Some animals may look small, harmless even, but they can kill you in seconds. Here are 5 of the deadliest creatures on Earth. Number 5, the box jellyfish. It looks almost invisible in the water, making it nearly impossible to spot. But its venom is one of the most powerful on the planet. A single sting can cause unbearable pain, heart failure, and death within minutes. Thousands of microscopic stingers can inject venom at once, and most victims don't even realize what touched them. Number 4, the blue-ringed octopus. It's tiny, colorful, and looks almost beautiful. But those glowing blue rings are actually a warning. Its venom is strong enough to paralyze a human in seconds. You stay fully conscious, but completely unable to move or breathe. There is no antidote, and it all happens almost instantly. Number 3, the inland taipan, the most venomous snake in the world. One single bite contains enough venom to kill multiple humans. Its venom attacks your nervous system and blood at the same time, and it can strike faster than your brain can react. Luckily, it lives in remote areas, because encountering it would be deadly. Number 2, the cone snail. It looks like a simple seashell, something you might pick up on the beach. But inside, it hides a deadly harpoon-like tooth. It fires venom with incredible speed. The sting can cause paralysis and death within minutes. And in many cases, there's no warning at all. Number 1, the bullet ant. Its sting is considered one of the most painful in the world. The pain is so intense it feels like being shot. That's where it gets its name. The pain can last for hours, sometimes even longer, and it can completely overwhelm your body. The most dangerous creatures on Earth are not always the biggest ones, but sometimes they're the ones you'd never expect.